Myself, Ramya, and my husband Sundar are privileged to invite you all for the Navaratri Golu at our residence. This is the traditional Golu steps, which has 7 steps, and we have deities of all Perumal and Tayar, different avatarams of Perumal and Tayar, and different acharyas of Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam. And here we see the Utsava deities of Tirumala Tirupati, Malayappa Swami and Padmavati Tayar, Krishna stealing butter, and the Tirumala Tirupati Brahmotsavam deities, Perumal on different Vaganams. And this is the Utsava deities of Kanchipuram, Varadaraja Perumal and Perundevi Tayar. And this is the deity of Atti Varadar. This is our theme of the Golu, the Srirangam temple. Let's look into the history of this temple.
ஆராத அருளமுதம் பொதிந்த கோயில், அம்பையத்தோன் அயோத்தி மன்னர் கழித்த கோயில், தோளாத தனிவீதன் தொழுத கோயில், துணையான வீடருக்கு துணையாம் கோயில், சேராத பயனெல்லாம் சேர்க்கும் கோயில், செழுமறையில் முதல் எழுத்து சேர்த்த கோயில், தீராத வினை அனைத்தும் தீர்க்கும் கோயில், திருவரங்கம் எனத் திகழும் கோயில் தானே.
Today we are going to see about the Divyadesam, Tiruvarangam, alias Kovil. In Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam, when we say Kovil, it refers only to Tiruvarangam. Here, the Perumal is in the sleeping posture. Brahmadevan in Satyalokam did puja to this Perumal. In Sun dynasty, one of the king called Ikshvaku did penance towards Brahma, and Brahma became so happy and he asked, "What boon do you want?" For that, Ikshvaku prayed, "Swami, I would like to have the Divyamangala Vigraham that you are doing Tiruvaradhanam every day." Brahman was very happy and he gave the Perumal to Ikshvaku. And Ikshvaku got that Perumal all the way to the Ayodhya and started performing pujas and Tiruvaradhanam to the Perumal. From Ikshvaku till Sri Ramar, all the king in the Sun dynasty prayed this god, and this god is the family god of the Ikshvaku dynasty. In Tretayugam, Ramavataram, when Rama killed Ravana and returned to Ayodhya to take up his throne, that time the person Vibhishana who accompanied him to Ayodhya, when Vibhishana was about to leave Ayodhya to Sri Lanka, Rama gave this auspicious Perumal to Vibhishana. Vibhishana, with all the bhakti, he got the Pranavakara Vimanam along with him, and he started to leave to Sri Lanka and start performing puja from there. On the way, he sees this awesome place where Vandinam Muralum Solai, Mailinam Adum Solai, Kondal Meedanavum Solai, Kuilinam Kuvum Solai. The place where all the bees are being ringing around and peacock is dancing and each and every cuckoo are singing. So such a beautiful place. When he sees this beautiful place, he decides, okay, it's now time for the Panguni Thirunal. Why can't we get Perumal here and perform the Thiruvaradhanam here and perform the Utsavam here? At the same time, there lived a Chola king called Dharmavarma. Dharmavarma also comes through a Sun dynasty. He once visited the king Dasaratha, who is the father of Sri Rama, in Ayodhya. He saw this Perumal and he prayed Dasaratha that he would like to have the Perumal to Cholamandalam. But Dasaratha said, "Hey Dharmavarma, I'm not having any rights to give the Perumal to anyone because it's a Kula Dhanam, it's a family's property and it's not my personal one. So I can't give it to you." Hearing that, Dharmavarma was very sad and he went back to his kingdom and started doing penance towards Perumal that he wants Perumal to come to this place. So when Vibhishanan came there and had the Perumal down, somebody told the Perumal has come, and hearing that, Dharmavarma was way too happy. He was in the bliss mood. He started running towards the Perumal and saw the Perumal there and he could not able to believe his eyes. Then he started begging Vibhishana that can this Perumal stay here. Vibhishana said this Perumal was given by Sri Rama to him to take it to Sri Lanka, so he cannot give it to him. With both of them are trying to get hold of the Perumal, they thus thought, okay, let's ask Perumal what he wants to do. Whether Perumal wants to stay in this place or whether he wants to go to Sri Lanka with Vibhishana. Hearing this, Perumal said, "Hey Vibhishana, you are born in the Asura Kula and you can come through sky. But Dharmavarma can't do that. So I would do this way. I will have Kudadisai Mudiyai Vaitu, Gunadisai Padam Niti, Badadisai Pinbu Khatti, Tendisai Ilangai Noki. I will have my head in the west side, leg east side, and my back will be to the north, and I will be looking in the direction of south where Sri Lanka is there. So you can be happy that I am always looking at you and you can come every day and perform your Aradhanam to me." Hearing that, with half-hearted, Vibhishana left the Perumal and went to Sri Lanka. With this, Perumal started living there where Dharmavarma did the initial Kainkaryam of creating the first Tiruchutru called Dharmavarma Tiruchutru. Now, let's think about the Kaveri in Srirangam. Srirangam and Kaveri are inseparable. As Alvar says, Gangayin Punidamaye, Kaveri Nadu Paattu, Pongum Neer Paranduvayum, Pumboril Arangam Tannul. So, he's saying, in between the Kaveri river, you are sleeping. Let's understand about Kaveri here. It's said that once Ganga started thinking that she is a superior of all the rivers. Hearing that, Kaveri was upset and went and argued with Brahma. Brahma said, since Ganga came from the Trivikrama's Sripada Tirtham, so Ganga is more sanity than Kaveri. So, hearing that, Kaveri was upset and started doing penance and towards Brahma, and Brahma gave the boon, saying that when Perumal comes and stays in a place where you are flowing, then you are going to be more sanity than Ganga. So, hearing that, Kaveri was happy. Once Brahma was taking water in his Kamandalu for Aradhanam in Satyalokam when he passed by to Kudagu region, which is the Western Ghats at this moment. We call the city as Coorg right now. So he saw such a beautiful place and he found the Nelli and Tulasi plants. When he saw that, he felt it's more like Perumal and Tayar to him. So he thought, okay, let me do the Thirumanjalam there. And that Thirumanjana Tirtham eventually became as Kaveri river. from there, Kaveri started flowing like anything, and she was super fast. At that time, everybody was worried that Chandra Pushkarini in the Srirangam will be washed out by this fast flowing Kaveri. But Kaveri, as she came near Srirangam, she split as two, as like a mala to that Chandra Pushkarini, and then she just made a island there. The place Srirangam been there even before Ranganatha came here. Sri Rangam means the Sri is Tayar, Rangam means the place where dancing happens. So it says that the place where Tayar dances is Thiruvarangam or Sri Rangam. Even Swami Desikan in Hamsa Santesham, the poem goes such a way that Rama sends Hamsa bird to Sri Lanka as a messenger. In that, Rama advises the Hamsa that when you cross this place, make sure you submit yourself in the place before going further. So that much significant is that place even before Ranganatha came here. Then over the period of time, the Thiruvarangam, the Srirangam was completely covered by mud. So nobody knows where the Perumal is, where the Vimanam is. Everything went under the mud, and there was a one Chora king called Kilivalavan, Killichoran. He was been hunting around this area, and he was, at that time there was a parrot saying this following sloka so that he can hear. Kaveri Virajaseyam Vaikuntam Rangamandiram Savasudevo Rangeshaka Pratyaksham Paramam Padam Vimanam Pranavakaram Vedastringa Mahadbudam Sri Rangashayi Bhagavan Pranavarta Prakashakaka. The river Kaveri is the very same Viraja river flowing in Vaikuntam, and the temple Srirangam is Vaikuntam itself and the abode of Vishnu. And this Lord of Srirangam is none other than the Vasudeva himself. The Vimanam is the form of Pranavam. With that, Killichoran thought there is something there is Perumal below that area. Then even Perumal came in his dreams and then ordered him to clean up that place so that he can be seen. So he did the same, and from then on Perumal was back and able to see to everyone. All the Arvars and all the Acharyas did Kainkaryam to this great Perumal. This temple is made up of 7 prakaras. This is what Adi Shankara says. Sapta prakara madhye Sarasita Mukulo Dvasana Hevimane Kaveri Madhyadese Panipati Saine Shesha Paryanga Bange. So it's like Sapta Prakaram, and Perumal is in center of the Sapta Prakaram, which is 7 squares. Center of that 7 squares, Perumal has been residing. This Perumal is called as Padimmar Padiya Perumal, that 10 Arvars singing it. So only Madhurakavi Arvar never sung any Perumal. And Pirati Andal did Pamalai and Pumalai Kainkaryam to Ranganatha, and she married Ranganatha. All the Acharya did Kainkaryam to this Perumal. Swami Ramanujar, when he came to Srirangam and took control over the Srirangam and Srirangam temple, he made all the reforms so that all the utsavams and all the activities for the Perumal and Tayar and for the temple can happen in a proper way. Swami Ramanuja's time is called as Golden Period. Later, when Swami Desikan, Swami Pillai Ulagacharya was there was a Muslim invasion that happened. The Kannanur, now which has been called as Samayapuram, till that spot they have come and conquered. That's when the people in Srirangam know that what they are about to face. With that, when a person called Sudarshana Suri, who is head of all them, had discussion with Swami Desikan and Swami Pillai Ulagacharya to make sure what is the next step that we can do. He requested Swami Pillai Ulagacharya to take the Namperumal Aragiya Manavalan along with him outside and go all the way south so that he can be saved. And he requested Swami Desikan to build a wall made up of stone so that Periya Perumal and Periya Pirati can be hidden. when Swami Desikan was trying to hide the Periya Pirati, he knows Periya Pirati is Padidanda Patini, so he made sure that Utsava Murti of Periya Pirati, Ranganayaki Tayar, is being set under the Bilva tree in the Tayar Sanadi. Pullai Ulagacharyar took the Namperumal, Aragiya Manavalan, started going all the way to the south. Then he reached to the Madurai. Next to the Aragar Kovil, we have a place called Anai Malai, even now. Swami Pullai Ulagacharyar was around 100 years then. He's seen Ranganadar as Rangarajan from the young age, and he was not able to take it how Perumal's Gati is right now. He started crying to Perumal because didn't even have money in their hand to perform Thiruvaradhanam to Perumal. He cried, and finally his soul reached to Vaikuntham. The people who went along with Swami Pullai Ulagacharyar continued to take Perumal all the way to south, and they reached to Thiruvananthapuram, and then from there they just went further north in the west coast where the Kozhikode, and the same time Swami Nammalvar from Alvar Tirunagari was also being brought there, and with Namperumal, Nammalvar meeting, all the devotees thought it's time for performing Thiru Adhyayana Utsavam there. And from then on, they moved all the way up north to Tirunarayanapuram. And Swami Desikan was already there in Tirunarayanapuram. And from then on, they moved from Tirunarayanapuram to the forest in Agobilam and stayed there. So when they went and reached to Agobilam, the entire team became just one person left. So the last man standing, named as Tiruthalvarai Dasar. Tiruthalvarai Dasar created a small place inside the forest underneath a cave and kept the Aragiya Manavalan there. So that's why he was named as Tiruthalvarai Dasar. Swami Desikan, seeing all this, felt so bad, and he wrote a grandam called Abhidistavam to remove all the fear from everyone regarding Srirangam. After 30-40 years, finally someone tracked back the Perumal, and they found he is in the Agobilam forest, and they submitted their respect to Tiruthalvarai Dasar and brought the Perumal all the way from Agobilam forest to Tirumala temple. Then Swami Desikan instructed Kamban Udayar, who is the chief commander of Vijayanagar dynasty, that this Perumal needs to reach back to his place in Srirangam. So Kamban Udayar to make necessary things to fight the Muslims to get Perumal down to his place in Srirangam. Kamban Udayar brought the Perumal from Tirumala to Senchi, which is the fort that Vijayanagara dynasty was holding. But from Senji, he was not able to move south because he was not having enough forces to fight the Muslims' forces then. One day, Madurai Meenakshi came in his dreams and instructed him that he needs to make sure Swami Ranganadar to reach his place, and also he needs to make sure Madurai is also been won. But Kamban Udayar was not so sure, as he was saying back to her that I am not having enough force to fight them. She just instructed him that make Swami Ranganadar as the head of the commander of the forces, and you make as the first servant to him and have him in front of you for the force to fight. When he woke up, he can't believe what he saw in his dreams and decided to go with what Devi said. So he had Perumal in front of everyone, and he started moving from Senji to Kannanur, which is now called as Samayapuram. By the time he started from Senji to Kannanur, his forces increased by more than 5,000 people, and they were able to win the Kannanur fort, and also they were able to win the Srirangam, and they had Perumal to reach the Srirangam, and Kamban Udayar further went down south to win the Madurai. This all information was well documented by the queen of Vijayanagar dynasty in a book called Mathura Vijayam. Hearing that, Swami Desikan started towards the Srirangam. At the same time, in Srirangam, they had a confusion that they already have one deity as Aragiya Manavalan, which the localites created it when the original one was not been found. And original came in right now, and the localites are not sure which one is the original one, as it's been like 40-60 years passed by. So they send in the message to Swami Desikan to come fast, and he was also approaching to Srirangam. Swami Desikan tried to convince everyone Perumal, who came from Tirumala, is the real Aragiya Manavalan, but not everybody is picking that line. At that time, a blind washerman came in and said, I can help. Everybody was wondering, even with the people with eyes not able to find difference, how can he find the difference? The washerman said, when I was young, when they make Thirumanjaram to Aragiya Manavalan, I used to take the water out of the dhoti that he used to have, and that's called the Iravade Tirtham. So, with that Tirtham, I can say you make a Thirumanjaram. So he requested everybody that please do Thirumanjaram to both the Perumal, and then I will make sure to find and let you know which one is Aragiya Manavalan and which one is not. Everybody agreed to this plan, and they did the same, and having the Tirtham of Aragiya Manavalan, he shouted, Nam Perumal, Nam Perumal, Nam Perumal. That's how the name Nam Perumal stands as of now. Everyone forgot the name as Aragiya Manavalan, and everyone started calling him as Nam Perumal, Nam Perumal. From then on, all the Utsavams, all the stuff started back the way it was before, and we are enjoying Srirangam because of the great Kaingaryam of all the people and Acharyans like Pillai Ulagacharyar and Swami Vedanta Desikan. Alvar says, Pachema Malaipol Meni, Pavaravai Kamalak Chengan, Achuda, Amararere, Ayartam Korunde Yennum, Ichuvai, Tavirayan Poi, Indira Lokamalum, Achuvai Perinum Venden, Arangama Nagarulani. He says, Hey Perumal, I don't even want Vaikuntam for staying in Srirangam. Let me be Srirangam forever. And Thirupanarvar says, Kondal Vannanai, Kovalanai, Vennayundavayan, Yen Ullam Kavarndane, Undergone, Aniyarangan, Yen Amudanai Kandagangal, Matrundane Kanave. Alvar says, seeing Arangam, seeing Ranganadar, I don't think anybody can see anything else, because that is the most blissful vision, most blissful view anyone can really see. With that line, we pray Swami Ranganadar that we have the same bliss forever. For better understanding to the kids how Perumal traveled through the invasion, we have made a robo, and Nam Perumal has been placed on the robo, and he travels the same path as he did during the invasion. And we have attached that video as well along with this video, and you can see it and enjoy it. As they say, one person can never able to build a temple. Same way, this particular miniature of Srirangam is not just done by one person or one family. Our beloved friend Ramanujam did the Madil Kaingaryam, which means that building the walls. And our other friend Srikant Durai Swami helped us to make this robo in which Nam Perumal is trapped. And thank you to all Bhagavatas who visited our Golu, and hope you all enjoyed it. Let's all pray the lotus feet of Sri Ranganayika Sameta Sri Ranganatha Parabrahma. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Nihamanta Mahadesikaya Namaha, Srimate Sri Rangaramanuja Mahadesikaya Namaha, Srimate Sri Varaha Mahadesikaya Namaha.